Today I'm going to show you how to use the DIY Headlight Restoration Kit. There is only 3 easy steps: sand, polish, and protect. The first thing you have to do before you even can do it is just wash the headlights and put tape around it, and then you can start sanding. You want to work from coarse to fine, so there are 3 different types of sandpaper in the kit. There's 800, 1200, and 2000. You want to work up from 800 all the way up to 2000s. After you finish sanding your headlights, next you're going to polish. The third and final step is to protect. Put the UV screen on.